in the kitchen. This is the archway, I guess. That got a little confusing to me based on the look. Whatever, everything appears to be fine, but as you notice, as you get up here, it kind of gets that two-tone look going to it. As you get over here. But other than that, and if you look a little bit up towards the ceiling, it's not bad. It'll do, but I just want you to see. And just fixtures need to be in place. That's all. Walking through the house. We'll go in the bathroom. At this time, let's see. This is the bathroom. Okay, this is the tub. Looks really nice. Gotta screw that back in, I guess. That's the tub. Looks nice. Go into shower room. Looks nice. Overall, still just need to go put the little fixtures in the wall or whatever. Other than that, looks nice. Going in the storeroom, I told you, I don't know if it's just the texture or what. The walls just seem like a blue or something. Still trying to get through. I don't know what it is. But as with her room, it doesn't look bad at all. Looks okay to me. Maybe it probably could have used one more coat. Who knows with that when that blue just keeps trying to pop out. And we're going into the bathroom. If we look, it like he probably tried to take some of it up, but it's still, I think more so over here. But other than that, it seems the same. The ceiling doesn't look as bad. Looks okay, I guess. He painted up there. I think that's it.